हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स इन एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. We are gonna introduce you to VirtualBox and what are its uses and how you can install it into your device very easily. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what is VirtualBox? It is a general-purpose visualization tool for x86 and x86 64 hardware targeted at server, desktop, and embedded use that allows users and administrators to easily run multiple guest operating systems on a single host. आसान भाषा में कहें तो VirtualBox की हेल्प से आप कोई भी वर्चुअल मशीन इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं, make it Windows, Mac or Linux. So it makes it possible for administrators and developers to quickly spin up full-blown operating systems without having to use dedicated hardware. Thereby, they will not be spending any money on the hardware. वैसे तो जितनी जानकारी मुझे लगा कि आपके लिए नेसेसरी है मैंने इस वीडियो में दे दी है, बट अगर इसके अलावा भी आपको इन डेप्थ इसके बारे में और कुछ जानना है तो यू कैन सर्च इट ऑन गूगल एंड लर्न व्हाट यू कैन डू एंड व्हाट यू कांट डू विद VirtualBox. एंड नाउ आई एम गोना शो यू हाउ यू कैन डाउनलोड एंड इंस्टॉल VirtualBox into your Windows 10. So first and foremost, I'm gonna tell you how you can download VirtualBox into your device. All you have to do is go to this link, that is virtualbox.org, and as you can see on the left corner below screenshots is a downloads button. We'll click on that, and here you can see that you can select your platform packages, and in my case I'm selecting Windows host, but you can also select for OS, Linux, Solaris, etc. There is no etc. These are the 4 options. You can select for these 4. And my downloading window for Windows host is here, and we'll just start downloading the VirtualBox. So the file is finally downloaded, and as you can see I have to open it first. Now I'll install the app into my device, so click next to continue. Next. And here it's just telling me that while installing the internet will be disconnected, and if I want to proceed with the installation, so I clicked yes and then clicked on install. Now we'll wait for it to install. So the app is installed properly, and here you can see the tick box that says that start the VirtualBox after installation, and now we'll click on finish. And as you can see on the top left corner there's tools and there's Mac also. I've already installed it into my Windows, and I'm gonna show you in the next video how you can install Mac OS into your Windows 10 as well. And by clicking on the add button, you can select the type of operating system, that could be Microsoft Windows, Linux, Solaris, Mac OS or any other, and the version for that as well. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. And in tomorrow's video, we are gonna show you how you can install Mac OS via VirtualBox on your Windows 10. With this, we'll be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?